everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Microsoft Excel for free. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to go to your search icon here and then look for Microsoft Store. So type Microsoft Store and then click open. Now, once you're here, go to the search icon again and then kindly type Open 365. Okay, and then click or tap enter. Now, what you're going to do here is to look for 365, or if you can't see this Microsoft 365, you can type Microsoft 365. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and if you haven't installed this one, click install or get. But I have already installed it, so all I have to do is click open. Now, if you can't open that using your Microsoft Store, or if you don't have Microsoft Store, then go to any web browser and then type Microsoft 365 or Office 365 and log in your account here. And as you can see, you can tap this install apps. You can see that on the right side. And if you see this part here on the left side, you can see here Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. You just have to tap this Microsoft Excel here. Tap this blank or new page, okay, blank document to start, and then there. Now you can start making or creating something using Microsoft Excel, and you can also save that after. So that's how easy it is to use or download and install Microsoft Excel for free. So I do really hope that this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.